Our lungs are a big part of our organ system because the lungs are what brings in the oxygen that causes us to breathe. However, the alveoli is the functional unit of our lungs. It allows the exchange between the oxygen and carbon dioxide in the lungs and the blood in the bloodstream. Our lungs are a part of our respiratory system. They're actually the main organ in the system. But without our diaphragm, which is a main muscle in the respiratory system, which we wouldn't be able to breathe without, the diaphragm is also useless without the lungs. Did you know that we breathe 15 to 25 times in 1 minute alone? We have 2 lungs in our body, one on our left and one on our right. We don't have an equal number of lobes. Our right lung has 3 lobes, which is our left lung has 2 lobes. Lungs can be transplanted if needed. However, there is no donor available. You can receive a transplant with an artificial lung. Our lungs are approximately the size of 3 human fists and vertically oval shaped. Without our lungs functioning properly, people could see struggles in breathing, such as asthma, which would lead to frequent hospital visits and lead to future health problems for the whole body.
The diaphragm is an important organ in the human body. It is a primary muscle of the respiratory system. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped organ made up of a thin layer of muscle. It is located in the lower part of the rib cage and at the base of the lungs. The diaphragm contracts and moves down, which makes room in our chest cavity for the lungs to expand, which results in an inhale and to take in oxygen. When the diaphragm relaxes and moves up, this causes us to exhale. The diaphragm can also involuntarily contract at times if there are irritations, such as eating too quickly, being under stress, and drinking carbonated beverages, to just name a few. This causes the space between the vocal cords at the back of the throat to close suddenly. This causes those irritating and sometimes embarrassing hiccups.